Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. I desire to inspire you to make beautiful designs one space at a time. Hey y'all, hey! Today I am taking part in a fun and exciting collaboration hosted by Miss Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis and Fabulous Designs on a Budget with Miss Marilyn. Now, they're simply asking us to do a pretty and pink Easter tablescape. So I thought, why not join in on the fun? We're quarantined. What else do we have to do? So I'm giving you guys an overview and we'll go in for a closer look of this beautiful, pretty and pink design. So here you guys, I started with the layering of this beautiful beaded placemat that I picked up from Home Goods. It has served me well. It's such a versatile color. It's not a true silver, it's not a gold, it's a perfect champagne color. You guys know that I style a lot with the champagnes because it is so versatile. So I layered on the beaded charger, and then from there I added this beautiful mirrored charger plate from Tuesday morning. After the charger plate, you guys, I add this beautiful blush pink. It has a gorgeous, if you can tell in the camera, iridescent glow to it. Is absolutely stunning. They had the same set in white, but I wasn't able to get it in the white. When I went back, it was already gone, but I absolutely love this set from Tuesday morning, the dinner plate as well as the dessert plate or salad plate. And so on top, I wanted to just bring in that platinum color, so I added this beautiful taffeta napkin that I got from eFavor Mart. And on top, you guys, I just came in and added that piece of resistance with my napkin ring from Totally Dazzle. I absolutely love the setting. Now for my drinkware, I did this beautiful ombre combination. I have a blush pink ombre glass or wine glass that I got from Home Goods, and then this platinum one, you guys. I absolutely love this set because this was actually used on my Love and I's wedding day, and I got that set from Ross Home Stores. So each setting is the exact same. I absolutely love this design, and I wanted to do something a little different with my napkin fold because after you do events, and for those that don't know, I am an event planner by trade. That's one of my trades. In addition to being a stylist and platform artist, I do events, and so you fold 1,000,001 different napkins, and so after a while it's like, okay, what am I gonna do? So I wanted to just give it a different look, and it's so easy and so simple that you can change up the entire look of a setting just by angling your napkins in a different way. So as opposed to doing it down the center or over the entire plate setting, I just did it, anchored it around the dessert or salad plate. I absolutely love it. Simple and elegant. Sometimes less is more. You may not hear me say that often, but in some cases, less is more. When you have beautiful pieces, you want to allow each piece to stand out and have its moment within that setting or design. So each setting, you guys, is the same. I absolutely love, love, love it. Same here with the fold. And then let's move on to my centerpiece. Love, love, love it. You guys, again, shopping my home. I just pulled this baby from my coffee table. It has the beautiful creams. And of course, you guys know, can't do anything without adding my beautiful blue. My love of blue was tried and true. So I added those little blue sprigs just to kind of tie the color schemes in together. You'll see shades of peach, but that pink pops out beautifully. And so I had that as my anchor. Then I came down, well, to anchor the entire centerpiece, I thought I'd play around with some of my chargers. This charger is normally in my guest bedroom, but I brought it out to style it here. I think it picks up the stone in the napkin ring perfectly. It's important to tie your things in together, and so I thought that would be a perfect addition to the set. I actually had the Tablescape done, and then I thought about that, and I went and grabbed it to add it to the set. Great last minute decision. And inside I just created a little Easter vignette. I have the salt and pepper shakers that I got from Z Gallery, and then my cute little bunny that I picked up from the bargain hunt. You guys, that's a local little, I don't know, it's not necessarily a vintage store or a secondhand store. It's kind of, well, it is secondhand because it's items that have been returned, and it's kind of like a surplus store, I'll say that. Pick them up for $1.59. You guys, if you hear any noise in the back, it's just, what's that song? If you hear any noise, it's just me and the boys. If you hear noise, it's my hubby. He's playing Madden with his cousins, somebody in St. Louis, somebody in Atlanta, and they're just playing from all over. Just, I guess, social distancing as best they can, so that's what you hear in the background. But anywho, back to the regularly scheduled program. So on either side of the centerpiece, I had this gorgeous, you guys, these mercury glass candle votives, and I decided to layer them on top. I picked these up, you guys. These are actually picture frames, little miniature picture frames I picked up from Ross, and I thought, as soon as I saw them, I initially thought to use them as coasters, but I only could find 2 so far, so I'll keep on the lookout for them. But they just anchor that anchor that votive just perfectly. So I added those on either side, and then to tie in the mercury glass, I added the mercury glass candlesticks, and then on top just some beautiful champagne candles. So there you have it, you guys, my pretty in pink tablescape. I would like to thank Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis, as well as Fabulous Designs on a Budget, Miss Marilyn, for hosting this fun and exciting collab. Now, if this is your first time visiting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. To my tried and true and my brand new boos, you guys know how I feel about you. I love you, love you, love you. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you have not already, go ahead and connect with me on my other social media sites, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook and Instagram. Now, until the next video, stay safe and have a blessed and beautiful day. Smooches!